In this lesson, I will show you how to zoom, rotate and pan inside part or assembly environment. So this is one very simple part. Now I will first use the pan. I will show you how to do the pan. If you want to do this pan, right click here. You will get that pan option here. If I select it, I can do it pan from here. This is one way to do the pan. I will press escape key to cancel my pan. Then another way is, you will see inside this top border bar, this is that pan option. If I select it from here, I can do it the pan here. Then another way is, there is one shortcut. Press and hold shift key in your keyboard and also press middle mouse button, and when I will try to move it, I can see this pan tool is active, so I can pan it by using this shortcut. And another most easiest way is, if you press and hold middle mouse and right mouse button in your mouse, you can also pan it. So there are a few different ways to pan it. Then I will show you how to zoom. If you want to zoom in or zoom out, just you have to scroll in or scroll down. This is the most easiest way. Then another way, if you want to zoom any specific area, there is one tool is called zoom. If I select it, I have to select that area and it will zoom in that area. If I want to fit my model inside this graphic window, there is one more option is available. Before I activate that option, I have to unselect this option. So I will select it again. Now I will go to this drop down menu and here I will select fit. Let's say if I select this top surface, I will select face and I will select top surface, and this is somewhere here. Now if I go to this drop down menu, there is one more option, fit view to selection. So this is my selection is only face. I want to zoom in only this selected face. So I will select this fit view to selection and it will zoom only this selected face. There is another way to zoom your part or model. If I press and hold Ctrl key in my keyboard and middle mouse button, then if I move my cursor, you can see I can zoom in and zoom out. Also, if I right click here, I can also activate my zoom tool from here. The rotation is really very easy. You can use this option to rotate it, or in the mouse, if I press and hold my middle mouse button, I can rotate it.